Hello and welcome to Module 8, Leading with the Moral Compass. My name is John Jacob. In this assignment, we had a variety of resources to review and provide a summary. The first of which was by Chai-Du Lee of 2013, entitled Moral Compass. He stated that there is a line between right and wrong, and that don't go near the line or you'll be likely to cross it. And that every time you do cross the line, it becomes easier to do it again. And leaders must have an integrity reflex, knowing the difference between right and wrong, and have that reflex kick in. Leaders must commit to doing what is right all the time. In Having a Moral Compass by Mr. Frank Bucaro, in his lecture, he cited to always put people first when making decisions and respect individual dignity. Treat everybody fairly, and to be honest, especially if you have a short memory, so you know what you said. Remember to tell the truth. It'll be easier to recall it. And then know your line in the sand and know what is negotiable and know what is not negotiable. Know what is acceptable and know what is not acceptable. In McCombs School of Business, entitled Moral Emotions, Concepts Unwrapped, they cited that moral judgments are based on emotions or intuitions, and that 90% of our brain's decisions are automatically and intuitively made. Self-conscious emotions motivate people to follow society norms. Other condemning emotions, like shame and guilt, motivate people to do the right thing. Other praising emotions, they stimulate people to act in a pro-social manner. Other suffering emotions, like empathy, encourage others to help people in need. Stephen Mentz in Set Your Compass to True North began with the golden rule: treat others the way that you want to be treated. Respect the rights of others, and that we should always remember to evaluate the possible harms and benefits when making our decisions. And always ask yourself, are your actions just? Are they fair? Do they treat others equally? Are your actions consistent? And that we should strive to improve the lives of others regardless of their preferences. Acceptance. In Brian Orchard, The Moral Compass, the general consensus is the moral compass is going south or in the opposite direction. And the writing expressed that it's difficult to construct a true north compass when the beliefs of society are constantly evolving. And that even among different religions, there is no agreed upon true base for morality. And sometimes people don't want to know where true north is in case that it happens to interfere with their own lifestyle or their own agenda. And he cited that society needs a single absolute authority to establish right and wrong. So here's my moral compass. At the true north of my moral compass is my God, worshiping God, living as a Christian. Second in my moral compass is my family. My allegiance to my God, my allegiance to my family, that is the top two. And I give loyalty and respect to others, and I expect to have that in return. And I seek personal responsibility at all times, both for my actions in my daily living and responsibility in my obligations to my family, to my work, to the society. These are the references cited that were used, the videos and the writing. A great compilation, very relevant, and just a good multiple sources, two of which I plan on actually using in my high school classroom, and covering ethics to help help guide and direct my students, motivate them to be better citizens. The addendum, I see the standard correlation that these resources that were provided, they validate the importance of having a moral compass and understanding the benefits of living under the direction of a moral compass. I especially like the correlation that Mr. Frank Vaccaro shared in relating the importance of having a moral compass and how the absence of that affected our own American history, in that he cited examples of slavery, the Holocaust, and even the Battle of Gettysburg. So I've really found that the correlation and relevance there. The relevance of this assignment, it reinforced the importance of having a moral compass by relating the real world application, both in the workplace or business, and then also, as I mentioned, including the impact on our history. You know, the moral decay of our society is seemingly more prevalent today because of the multimedia formats that are available and exploit the decay daily and hourly. Reflection, this assignment supported my beliefs in the importance of and value of having a moral compass to maintain a positive and balanced focus in my life. And it's important to refer to our moral compass prior to making decisions and to contemplate the effects on others. Thank you.